Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare un po' di italiano? Today you learn something that you can use straight away. In this video you learn how to conjugate 3 very important Italian irregular verbs in the typical smart Italian for busy people style, of course. Let's get started. Iniziamo! Oh, by the way, if you like this type of video and you would like to get more of Smart Italian for busy people, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. The first verb is capire. Capire means to understand. Capire in the first person, so the I person, is capisco. Capisco. And you use it to show empathy. Someone says, I'm sorry I did that, and you say, capisco. Second person is capisci. Capisci. You understand. Capisci? Do you understand? Capisci? Why is this verb irregular? The endings are regular. Endings in irregular verbs in Italian are regular. But the infinitive form is capire, and you have to add sc before putting the ending. So capire, the ire ending should be taken away. You put sc and then the normal ending for any verb in the present tense in Italian. The same rule applies to the other two verbs we're going to see today. Preferire. Preferire means to prefer. So the first person, preferisco. Preferisco. Second person, preferisci. Preferisci. Why this vowel change? This is because SC is pronounced SC when followed by OAU, like SCO, SCA, SCU in this case, preferisco or capisco, and it would be pronounced SCI if it's followed by E or I. For example, capisci, preferisci. The last verb for today is finire, to finish. The same way, finisco, finisci. But let's use them. I'm sorry, I cannot come tomorrow. I have to study. Capisco. Preferisci il tè o il caffè? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Preferisci il tè o il caffè? Preferisco il tè. What time do you finish work? A che ora finisci di lavorare? Finisco alle 5. Finisco alle 5. I finish at 5 o'clock. È tutto per oggi. That's everything for today. A presto! Ciao! I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you would like to get more explanations about grammar, phrases, Italian culture, vocabulary, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the thumbs up button. See you soon! A presto!